Okay, so today we are going to discuss on the cost object controlling. So under the cost object controlling, I'll take you directly from the SAP screens. So here, if you see, we are in controlling. Under the controlling, we are in going to cost product cost controlling. Under that, cost object controlling, and under that we have a node of product cost by order. If I click here, I'll get the required settings for the product cost by order options. So the required settings are product cost by order settings, wherein we can define the overhead and origin groups, and then the costing related settings, wherein we define the costing variant, valuation variant, order type, default variants, and all. And then we define the month-end closing activities, for example, the WIP variants and settlements. So this comprises the product cost by order settings, and we need to do these settings majorly in this head, wherein we define this costing variant. Under this costing variant, if you see, PPP2 is your actual and PPP1 is your planned. And this we define here as the default order type. So if I just select the plant, so let's select the plant and order type, let's say PP01. So this is how we can check the required settings for the product cost by order. Now, if I go here, we can check the other settings. Let me take you to one of the order. So this is one of the order which we have created for the product cost by order. You can see the plant is 2006, order type is PP01, and this is the material 54, and this is the order number, and this is how the order is getting created, and this is the control tab. You can see the plan costing variant, actual costing variant, and when system calculate the cost. So let's see the cost part in this. So this is how you can see the cost part in this. So if I just optimize it, you can check this detailed cost in this particular order, right? Now, this is how you can see the input material cost, the activity cost, and then the GRN cost and the settlement. So for each of these, you can get into the accounting document of this. For example, if I just click here, I want to check the accounting document for this. So this is the FI document. You can check this. So the accounting document look like this. So the inventory account is credited and consumption account is debited. So this is how you can check. Now let me take you to the settlement document. So this is the settlement document. If you want to see the settlement document, accounting document, you can check that. So this is the accounting document posted for settlement of the variances. So input price variance, quantity variance, etc. are debited and credited as per the data. So this is how we can check the settlement document. And now let me take you to the screen where we can check all the details in one go. So this is that same order. If I just back it, so this is how you can check. This is one of the report, standard report. You can always check in your system. S_ALR_870131227. So this is very, very beautiful report. You can see this entire detail in this report. So after you create the order, detail will come as actual debit, credit, and target variance. Under that, we have different variances. So this is one of the best report in cost object controlling, and you can get this report and you can easily work on the cost object controlling things. Thank you.